Hello students, and welcome to Module 3, Game-Based Learning. So this week we're going to be talking about game-based learning tools and tips. And due this week is really one thing, which is your module discussion, but it has 3 parts, and I'll get to that when we get to that space. Continue looking ahead, again, continue to work on your final project because you need lessons to go with the project you are creating. So in theory, the game you created for this module, you could develop that into a lesson that will go into your final project. You shouldn't be needing to create a whole lot of extra lessons when we get to that part of the final project. So this week we're going to be doing, reading about gamification. We're going to watch these videos, how it works, gamification in the classroom, gamification in future of education. Those are just some of the, and then you're going to be reading gamification education, 4 ways to bring education classroom, 5 ways to gamify your classroom, and right and wrong way to motivate students. You don't have to do a reflection reading today, this week rather, this module, but I hope that doesn't mean that you won't actually do the reading. I think it's very informative, and I think it's just a great idea to just do the reading for it. And so what you're going to be doing is really 3 parts this week. You're going to create part 1, create a learning game to share with your classmate. It could be about any topic you are teaching or will teach, or you can create a game for teachers, teaching them how to gamify the classroom. Here are a few tools. Some of you have mentioned Kahoot in your postings and reflections and things like that. And these are a couple of other ones that are kind of cool. If you are not married, you do not have to use any of these tools. If you are making a game with another tool, feel free, go forth and do that. Once your game is created, post it in this discussion with a brief description of who, what it's for, kind of the grade that you designed it for, and what you hope your students to learn from it. And then lastly, play another person's game, another classmate's game, and give them feedback potentially how they could improve it. They again provide the title, grade, subject, and lesson, the topic for your game, and it should teach something, and be digital. That's kind of the criteria for success. Someone has already done one of them. So that's kind of it for this module. Hopefully, I'm so sorry about this. I'm not on my regular computer, so it looks a little janky. But hopefully, you all are probably ending your student teaching experiences very soon, and have lots of things to wrap up and do. You're keeping in mind that all of these things, all of these lessons, and all of these modules should be informing how you create your lessons that will be a part of your final project. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions, and good luck to you.